everyone, this is CJ over here at Full Throttle Powersports, located in Swanzey, New Hampshire. Today we're going to take a look at one of our pre-owned units. This 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S Café with ABS has 966 miles and passes New Hampshire state inspection. It comes equipped with ABS braking, Ergo-Fit adjustable ergonomics, and a tinted wind deflector with signature tank badging. The Vulcan S Café stands out with its bold two-tone paint, sport stripping, and aggressive cruiser styling. The dark tinted wind deflector adds a sleek, modern touch while maintaining vintage appeal. Powered by a 649cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, this bike delivers strong low to mid-range torque and smooth acceleration. This bike is perfect for riders who want cruiser comfort with sport bike performance. Thanks to Kawasaki's Ergo-Fit system, it's customizable to fit a wide range of riders' heights and preferences, ideal for new riders or anyone looking for a personalized fit. Come check it out at Full Throttle Powersports in Swanzey, New Hampshire, or call 603-357-7999 to schedule a test ride or learn more.